Hey guys, the group builder slash creator here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys this build that I call Rover. Rover is a small Lego box. Very illegal Lego box. It's an illegal build type, but it's very, very hard to put together and make it together and make it very nice to like stake it to. So we see multiple things here. There's not a lot of flat pieces except this one and the prize piece. And we can apparently do a lot of things with this. That wasn't supposed to happen. But what's supposed to happen is we have this here. And we can pull this out like that, all the way out, and pull out our money. We can put our money back in this little area, right there. So this is the first part. This is the second part. You need a 1x4 plate, and then all you have to do is put this back together like this. Make sure you get it open enough, so don't squeeze it too much. So whatever one's looser, open that a bit, and then squeeze it together like that, as much as you can, and boom. If you push this back far enough and you squeeze enough, you'll get Rover. All you have to do is pull this out and eat your pies. You can add wheels and stuff. Because it is named Rover. Rover's a little broken, but whatever. So you pull this back enough. And yes, that's how you make it. And it exploded. Putting this back together is very, very complicated because I don't have two 2x3s. And there you go. Goodbye.